Hello, I hope you're well. My name is Ben and today I'm going to be teaching you how you can make the most out of your home workouts. Now, with the UK in a state of pandemic, it has been advised that people stay at home in order to reduce and minimise the spread of the coronavirus. With that being said, however, that doesn't mean that you have to let yourself go. This video will help you maximise your time and keep you in good shape. Now, in terms of exercise, it's recommended that you do at least one form of exercise at least once a day, whether that be strength or weight training or even going for a run. So I also just want to quickly talk about the importance of working out at home, especially when practicing social distancing. Exercise is the best way, as you probably already know, to keeping fit and healthy. Now, with the country in an unprecedented state of uncertainty, it is now more important than ever to ensure physical and mental health. And in my opinion, exercise is the best way to maintain both. Personally, I use fitness to de-stress and unwind. Ever since I've started taking fitness seriously about 7 months ago, the improvements into my mental health has been absolutely astounding. And as well as that, you also get the physical benefits of feeling and looking great. With the release of endorphins too, exercise can also help you feel more awake and more focused, which means when you finally come to sit down to write that essay that you should have started a couple of weeks ago, you're going to be more productive, which is a win-win for everyone. As well as this, working out from home is also a fantastic place to start if you're looking to get into fitness for the first time or are a little bit anxious about going to the gym. The comfort of your own home will make you feel less anxious and therefore more productive when actually working out. Now, it's time for me to talk to you about the things that you can use during home workouts. Now, the positives of the stuff that I'm going to talk about is that you'll probably already have it in your house, but if you don't, it will come at a minimal price. So of course, I'm going to start off with the cheapest, and that is bottles and a bag. Now, all you have to do is put the bottle inside the bag and you've got yourself a homemade weight. The benefit of this is, of course, that you can adjust the weight to whatever it is you need, whether that be a little bit heavier if you're a little bit more experienced and require a heavier weight, or if you're just starting out, just use a few bottles, that will suffice just fine. And as well, if you really want to mix things up, there are different types of bags that you can use in order to achieve different types of workouts. On a similar line to this, you can also use pots and pans. Now, pots and pans are great for bodywork exercises and body weight exercises such as press-ups, as it allows you to get a little bit of height between, say, two different arms. With this, you are able to focus on particular muscle groups. So for example, if you're doing a diamond press up, which I'll show you later, you'll be focusing more on the physical chest muscles as opposed to your arms, meaning that when you focus more time on one body part and one muscle group, you're going to see results a lot quicker. And another thing is the pots and pans that you use for other workouts can also be used as weights or added to the bag of weights you've already made, which means you can get heavier weights for more advanced gym goers. Last but not least, you have, of course, your own body. Now, your body weight is going to be naturally a little bit heavier to something that you would make at home using a bag and a bottle, which means you're going to see results a lot quicker. As well as this, there is literally minimal equipment that you need and you'll be able to do a workout absolutely anywhere. And finally, I want to share a few of my personal favourite workouts to do at home in the hopes that it may inspire you to try them out yourself. First up, it's the press-up. Now, the press-up is one of my personal favourites because there are just so many varieties that you can do. Press-ups specifically target your chest, shoulders and arm muscles depending on the type of press-up you're trying to do, such as wide grip, close grip and diamond. With a press-up, you're using literally just your body weight unless you add a weight, which means there is minimal effort required to set it up and you're also getting the maximum gain from it. Secondly, it's the table row. Now, the table row is a fantastic exercise that engages pretty much all of your upper back and also works your arms because obviously you're lifting yourself from the ground. The table row is a fantastic substitute for a weighted row or a dumbbell row that you would traditionally do at the gym. And finally, we have squats and lunges. Now, you always hear the joke that you should never skip leg day, and that is absolutely true. There are so many different variants of squats and lunges that you can do depending on your experience level. Weights can also be added to make it harder, and when you do squats and lunges, the muscles that you're working include your quads, glutes, hamstrings, calves, and even your core muscles, so it really is the perfect all-round leg workout. And that's it. That concludes my little insight into the importance of home workouts. If you enjoyed this and would like to learn a little bit more, then make sure you check out Owen's article on fitness from home. And of course, make sure you stay locked right here on Student Life for all of the best content about life at university. Thank you again for watching, stay safe, and until next time, I'll see you later.